kids. So today we are going to learn something new in science. We are going to learn something new in science. Very good. Okay, it's called insects. I want you to say the sounds in insects with me. Insects. Insects. Very good. Every day we see insects around our environment. We see insects around our environment, and we keep asking, what kind of insect is this? So today we are going to learn the different types of insects that exist, okay? First of all, when we hear insect, you're doubting, what is an insect? I'm going to tell you what an insect is. Okay, an insect is a very small animal, very small and tiny animal that do not have bones, but they have an outer covering shell that protects them. This is an insect. It does not have bones, but it has an outer covering that protects them. Okay? Now, most of the insects have 6 legs, and some even have more. If you look at this insect, you will see that it has 6 legs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the insect has some parts. It has 3 main parts. It has the head, just like you have your head. It has the abdomen, just like you have your upper body part. And it has the thorax. Now, it also has wings. Most insects have 2 wings that helps them to fly. And 2 antennas. These are the 2 antennas. And 6 legs. Okay? We are going to find out where insects live. Insects live in forests, trees, grass. For example, you can see on the board all the different types of insects and where they live. Like the spider lives in the spider web. The butterflies, you can see them on the trees, the flowers, the grass, the ants, all of them, they live in different places. But we can mostly find them on trees, in the forest, and in the grass, around the garden. Okay? Now let's take a look at some insects like the ladybug, the flies, the bees, the mosquitoes, ants, butterfly, grasshopper, caterpillar, and let's find out how these insects are and where we can find them. We are going to begin with who can tell me what is this? Bee. Very good. This is a bee. The first kind of insect we are going to learn today is the bee. Can you see the bee? The bee is so colorful. I love it. It has stripes. It's a striped insect, yellow and black. Okay, this is called a honeybee, and it is an insect. How do we know it's an insect? Because it has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has the head, the abdomen, the thorax, the wings, and the antennas. Remember, we said those are the things that we see before we know it's an insect. The bees like to collect sweet juice from the flowers. You can see the bees, right? They like to go to the flowers and collect sweet juice. Can you see the bee collecting sweet juice from the flowers? The bees like to collect sweet juice from the flowers. Now, remember when we were doing plants, we talk about flowers, right? We said bees come on flowers to collect nectar. So these are bees that come on the flowers to collect the nectars. Very good. Now, the bees live in a hive with many other bees. This is the bee hive. You can always see bees on branches. They create their bee hives there. And they live with many other bees. Okay? The bee produces sweet honey. The honey that which we eat daily. Maybe mommy or daddy, whenever they are taking tea, coffee. Sometimes they like to put the honey instead of sugar. Honey is really sweet. So the honeys come from the bees. Can you see the bee? It has honey in the bucket. Okay? So honey comes from bees. The bees have 6 legs and 2 feelers. I've told you that already, right? And they like to live in groups called colonies. They like to live together in groups called colonies. And this is the bee hive. Very good. So the next kind of insect that we are going to learn is the caterpillar. Everyone say caterpillar. Caterpillar. Very good. The caterpillar is a small insect that feeds on plants. Can you see the caterpillar? Mostly the caterpillar has 6 legs, but it has so many other legs that will help it to climb around because it likes to climb around places. Okay? The caterpillar likes to feed on plants. and it eventually turns into a butterfly. Do you know the story of the caterpillar that turned into a butterfly? You know the story of the very hungry caterpillar, right? That the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. This is the process in which the caterpillar turned into the butterfly. Caterpillars have 6 legs like all insects, okay? But also have up to 5 pairs of strong row legs with little hooks that helps them to hang onto things. These are then they like to hang onto things like leaves, trees, that it helps them move. That's why they have so many other legs. And how do caterpillars move? They like to move in a wave-like motion. They like to move like this. They don't move straight. Most caterpillars like to move in a wave-like motion. And if you look at the caterpillar, it has a very beautiful color. What's the color of the caterpillar? It is bright green. I love the color of the caterpillar. Good job. Now let's move to the next kind of insect.